Hello everyone, this is Milton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss on the topic is peer-reviewed journal equivalent to UGC care list journal. Before getting to the topic, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest updates. Most of us are thinking that UGC will consider both UGC care journal list as well as peer-reviewed journals for any academic purposes. Academic purposes means like submission of thesis, award of the degree, and appointment, selection and promotion and etc. The reason for thinking that peer-reviewed journal is equivalent to UGC care journal list is there is a regulation that we can find in the UGC website that states that UGC will consider both peer-reviewed or UGC journal list. What is the exact guidelines or regulation issued by UGC? Whether as stated UGC will consider both peer-reviewed or UGC journal list or UGC will consider only UGC care journal list. So this is the thing that we are going to discuss in this video today. I have taken few documents from the UGC website for better understanding on this. So the first one, so this is the regulation issued by UGC, the minimum qualification standard for the appointments. So this regulation consists of the eligibility criteria and the academic score or research score, how many marks will be given for the book publication and journal research article publications and etc. So in this regulation, many places it has been mentioned that UGC will consider both, that is either peer-reviewed or UGC journal list. So we will see it here. So in order to make it easier, just to click Ctrl F and just type peer. See here, in many places you will find peer-reviewed or UGC listed journals. Similarly, if you go for next, here also you can find peer-reviewed or UGC listed journals. Like this, in many places we can find that UGC will consider both either peer-reviewed or UGC listed journals. Here you can find the samples. In many places it has been mentioned. See here, even it is given for mark allotting system. So research papers in peer-reviewed or UGC listed journals. So you'll get 8 marks per paper if you belong to science and engineering category. If you belong to humanities, arts and science and languages, you will get 10 marks per paper. So actually we have to understand one thing. If you go to the top, this regulation was published by UGC on 18th July 2018. That is before the announcement of UGC care list. UGC care list was released 14th June 2019, but this regulation was published by UGC on 18th July 2018. So in 2018, UGC will consider either peer-reviewed or UGC journal list. So what is UGC regulation in 2019 after the announcement of UGC care list? Just see here. So this is the notice issued on 14th June 2019. So here it has been very clearly mentioned. So read this point number 2 and especially the last 2 lines. With immediate effect, that is on 14th June 2019, with immediate effect, research publications only from journals indexed in UGC care list should be used for all academic purposes. All academic purposes means award of the degree, submission of the thesis, or appointment, selection, promotion and etc. For all the things UGC care list should be considered. Similarly, you can find another regulation issued by UGC on 16th September 2019. So just read the first point. The old UGC approved list of journals has been replaced with the new UGC care reference list of quality journals, and with effect from 14th June 2019, research publications only from the journals indexed in UGC care list should be considered prospectively for any academic purposes. Once again, academic purposes means award of the degree, submission of the thesis, promotion, appointment and etc. So From these regulations, we should be very clear. UGC will consider only UGC care list journals for any academic purposes. Kindly do not confuse that UGC will consider both peer-reviewed or UGC journal list. That was the old regulation on 2018, that was before the announcement of UGC care list. After the announcement of UGC care list, it has been mentioned very clearly, UGC will consider only the research articles that are listed or indexed in the UGC care list journals. The researchers should be very clear, and accordingly they have to publish their research papers. So in addition to that, I have published few videos about whether UGC care list group 1 is best or group 2 is best. Similarly, ISN publication as well as ISBN publication. How many marks will be given for ISBN publication and how many marks will be given for the research articles publication. So I will give you the link in the description, and if you are interested, you can click the link and you can watch it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol. Very soon I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.